Hi, this is Larry from watermitigationadvice.com. I'm happy you could stop by today. We're going to talk about cleaning your mass air sensor on a 97 Buick LeSabre Custom. It's pretty similar on a lot of vehicles, but this is the particular one I'm working on. The sensor is inside that rubber hose that you see there. Now, these two marks, you have to line them up when you put it back together. You want to put that hose back on last. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the cover off. This is only so you have more room to work. This is the cover that goes over the air filter. 2 screws, and then you lift it straight up. Now this is the cleaner I use. You can get your own, but you can see what it's basically like, and it should be marked on the can, something like this. Now you're going to spray the sensor. This is inside that hose when you take it off. You want to spray it really good. Let it dry completely before you start the engine. Now, you're going to take and put the cover back on. You put this back on, drop it in the bottom first, then tighten the 2 top screws. It's some holes in the bottom and some tabs that fit in. You'll see it if you look at it. Now, then once you've done this and you put your hose back on, tighten it up, and you're pretty much done. Very simple. It's something you can do yourself. It won't take you very long. But I recommend you work on a cold engine. You don't want the spray to flare up or anything crazy. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day.